For the girls, Madam Speaker.
Honorable member for Muranga, not from Muranga, nominated member.
The party leader. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to put my voice on this. Madam Speaker, I want to remind this House that in the 12th Parliament, we moved the issue of sanitary pads, actually it was 11th, from Ministry of Education to the Ministry of Gender, so that the female county MPs who are in this House can be able to distribute these sanitary towels to the schools. And what advised us, Madam Speaker, then was because from the Ministry of Education, we couldn't really trace where the sanitary pads were going. So I hope, Madam Speaker, as the leader of majority summons the CSs here, that not only do we need these sanitary pads to be purchased, but also the county women MPs to be given the responsibility to take these sanitary towels to their schools so that all the girls can benefit. We are able to trace and see which constituencies are not benefiting. Madam Speaker, we cannot afford our girls to get pregnant, teenage pregnancy, some of them to fail school because of sanitary towels. Madam Speaker, if they cannot be able to afford, then why should we, and I know somebody mentioned, have condoms in the toilets? Why should we? Who? It's not the man, and I again want to clarify, this is in every public place you'll find condoms. It's not in Parliament. It's not in Parliament.
Honorable Member Sabina, do not respond to Honorable Junet.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, do not. And I want to confirm, it's not only men who use condoms, even women use condoms.
Exactly. So anyway, Madam Speaker, what we are saying, this issue of sanitary towels should be taken with the seriousness that it deserves, and our girls should be given sanitary towels today and not tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, honorable members. I will give the chair of education to say something, then I will give Kewopa chair and we will close this matter.